So you're a local business, maybe you're a brick and mortar store, maybe you're an HVAC company, maybe you're a carpenter, hey, maybe you're a local jeweler. This video is for you. This is how you can go ahead and start to dominate Instagram in your local area. Now, if you don't know me or you're new to the channel, my name's Anthony. I actually run a 1 million follower network on Instagram, and I also run an Instagram marketing agency, and I make videos like this to help you go ahead and take your account from zero to hero. Now, normally I make videos about, how to help personal brands grow or how to help people who just want to build massive networks grow. But today we are in the heart of Business Central, so I figured, why not a business video? Honestly, this really just went ahead and inspired me, and I was like, you know what? Let's make a video for local businesses. I've had a few of you guys go ahead and reach out. I've had a few jewelers go ahead and reach out and ask me, Anthony, what do I do for me? I can't post viral content, nor should you. So this video's for you. So when you are a local business, things start to change a bit. So if you've watched many of my past videos, really sit down and listen to this one. Maybe watch it twice, take some notes, because things are about to change, and there's things that you should do on a viral page that you should not do as a business page. For one, never mix viral content. Now, as a business, posting your business content, you're probably not going to go viral. Believe it or not, the awesome picture of your burger and fries, or the awesome picture of your diamond ring, or the awesome picture of, the hairdo you just did, it's just probably not going to go viral unless you get like a BuzzFeed style video and you get like Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube influencers all over the place to go ahead and promote it. And at that rate, you're reaching like massive audiences. But the odds of you just making a normal post and it goes on to reach 5 million users is pretty much just not possible. Maybe here in New York, you can go ahead and get a lot more than usual, but if you're in like a isolated area, a desert area, like you're just not going to get that. However, by using viral methods, using stuff like DM groups and using those principles, you can rank for local hashtags within your area. So if I was a business in New York, I'd be tagging it up with New York, New York City, all my tags. I'd get all my hashtag research done, and I also use the location that I am in, and through using viral methods, like I just said, such as DM groups, you could go ahead and rank for the top of those local hashtags and for that location. So it does have its place for local businesses in that sense. When people are searching up things around the area, you will definitely pop up if you're using viral methods and you're ranking for that stuff. Now, first off, while we're on the topic of hashtags and locations, you better be using hashtags and locations as a business. If you're not, you are definitely losing. There are so basically limited amounts of things you can do as a business. You don't have, really the natural, free, organic stuff as much as people with viral pages do. So using hashtags, that is the SEO of Instagram. You better be using that. It is one of the best ways for people to find your Instagram, and using those locations. Please promise me you will implement that stuff. Now, as a brick and mortar page in a dead location, I'm about to say it, it is okay to use follow, unfollow. Okay, listen, it is okay to use follow, unfollow if you are a brick and mortar business in a pretty isolated location, because there's not many ways for you to reach the audience you're trying to reach your potential customers. There's really only two ways. You could use some automation or do it manually, and you could reach those people within your area, or the other way is to run ads, okay? And ads would be great, but when you do the mix, you're kind of getting a great deal because you're running ads, plus you're doing some follow and follow, so you got kind of some free organic stuff, and then you're going ahead and you're using some paid advertising. And as much as I'd hate to say it, for local businesses, follow and follow works great. For viral pages, it does not work so great. But for a local business, I don't see any problem with using it. If I had a business and was in a dead location, I would definitely utilize it. However, the only downfall about using this is, it's gonna be really weird when your business goes ahead and likes a 13-year-old girl selfie. It's gonna look really bad, especially if her dad sees. I've heard some horror stories, so just kind of watch out for that. Hope that didn't scare you too much, but stuff like that does kind of happen. Additionally, put money into ads, specifically story ads. I wouldn't really mess around with the promotion, the regular normal feed style ads too much. I would stick to the story ads, and the main reason why is because story ads are so much cheaper and perform so much better than feed ads, okay? Be running discounts, be running giveaways, posting coupons all the time, constantly give people a reason to come to your business. If you look at the biggest brands on Instagram, the 7-figure brands, even though they're not local brick and mortar, they are constantly giving stuff away, constantly doing coupons, constantly giving people a reason to go to their website. You want to implement the same for yourself and constantly give people a reason to walk into your business. Now, my last tip to you guys, which will probably benefit you the most and is the most simple, is use stories. Use stories every day. Make sure there is constantly a story running on your page, whether it's, you know, your meal of the day, whether it's a coupon or a discount or a giveaway. You should be utilizing the absolute crap out of stories. The reason why is because most other businesses aren't. I guarantee you, if you go to all the other businesses in your area, most of them probably aren't even on Instagram, and the ones that are probably aren't even utilizing stories. By you guys, let's say you're a restaurant, if you post your soup of the day or meal of the day or anything like that, or you know, you're posting, you know, discount for a burger, discount on your fries, free fries when you get this, whatever that stuff may be, keep in mind, people are on Instagram all day, literally all day. People just spend time, especially the millennial generation is spending so much time on social media, so much time on Instagram. They're going to see your stories, and guess what? When they get hungry later at night, they're going to remember that discount. When they're at work or they're on break and they're scrolling through their phone and they see your story promoting free fries with X, guess where they're gonna go for free fries with their buddies after work, okay? Go where your target audience is. Go where people are hanging out. People are hanging out on Instagram all day, so utilize the stories. Again, constantly give people a reason to walk into your business and they will walk in. Now, shout out to the winner of the free consultation call. I'll throw your comment up right here. All you gotta do is go ahead and email me at support@viralvenom.com. I'll leave that email also in the description. Send me an email. Go ahead and let me know that you're the winner of the YouTube consulting call, and we'll go ahead and book you in. For those of you that don't know, I give away free 30-minute consulting calls every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. If you want to enter, all that you have to do is comment on my videos, okay? The more of my videos you comment on, the more the chance you have to win, because I pick a random person and then I announce it on video every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So make sure you also put on post notifications so that you don't miss the video, because if you miss your name being called, then you kind of miss out. So for all of you local business owners out there who are going ahead and trying to step into the IG realm, these are my best tips for you guys to go ahead and start getting your Instagram following built, start getting people into your door from Instagram so you can start seeing ROI from the platform. So I hope you took massive value out of this video. If you did, make sure you give it a like. Make sure you subscribe for the most up-to-date content about Instagram. If you're looking to take Instagram step by step and get super serious about it, how to grow, how to monetize, how to grow 10,000 followers per month, 0 to 100K in 90 days, then go ahead and take my free training. I'll leave it linked below. Once again, guys, hope you took some massive value out of this. Make sure you keep grinding, keep hustling, and I'll see you all on the next video.